Two of our fidget trading. This is part 2 of our fidget trading, and I can't believe this. Sorry, I did not have enough storage, but still, this is part 2, so this is another post. So I got literally my dream fidget. It's literally the massive Neato and water timer. So right now, we're going to do another fidget trade. That is possibly fake. Okay, now you offer. It's not fake. You offer.
Okay, well, I'm going to offer this Neato and this bike chain.
Oh, okay. She got me there. This Neato is really good, and I love bike chains.
And it's a real Neato.
Yeah, that's what it is.
And I got it at Walmart, and it says Neato right here.
And I got it at Walmart. So, I don't know. Okay, let's see if we can offer anything. What do y'all think I should?
If you want me to add only green fidgets, then I can do that.
We're going to actually do that next video.
Okay, but here is the emoji. You already have that one?
Okay, these. But you got to add if I add the putty.
Okay.
I had that mochi, and I think I still do in my old classroom. That is now just laying dead. I threw it up, up on the ceiling, but then it fell down.
Okay, what if I just switch it to this? Because this is all broken up on your ceiling.
That's it. Yeah. And we also have this
Hedgehog.
hedgehog. Where's the hedgehog?
Hedgehog.
You don't have a hedgehog? This hedgehog? It's right there. That's the hedgehog. Okay, I don't know. You gotta add I don't know, probably a fidget spinner or something. I don't know.
Which one do you like the best?
That one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
So do you think?
Yeah, but I feel like I'm kind of over.
Okay, then I'll add. I have nothing to add, y'all. Okay, then you can take away one fidget. You can take away the fidget spinner.
Okay. Oh, but I really like this Neato, and I play with it 24/7.
Well, then if you take away the Neato, then I have to take away that.
Okay, let's just take all our fidgets away.
We're redoing this again. Now you add something.
Okay, so...
Wait, I need my Trading Fidgets Part 2. Okay, we need my camera to focus. Okay. Sorry about that. So add. Yeah, make it pop it. Well, now you have 3 and I only have 1 side to pop it.
What if
I kind of want to add for that pop it right there.
Okay. Really?
Offer. I will offer my puzzle ball, but if I add this putty, will you add?
Why do I have to add? This is
That's, okay, just this is fair, but with the putty, I've never even touched.
Go touch it.
Okay, I have to touch it to see if I like it.
Go ask your dad to open it.
I think I got it.
The face, though.
This isn't gonna work.
This isn't gonna work.
One second.
Ciao, ciao. Okay, guys. So, she's out of the room right now, getting something to open it, scissors or a knife or something like that. Yeah. Here's the hand puppet that she traded me, and she also traded me this. And BT Dubs, that was her dream fidget right there. That was her dream fidget. And then I think that she wants my dimple that I have at my house. But I'm at her house right now. So I can't give her my dimple. I'm so sorry. But I think I want to pop all of these before she comes back. And I don't think it's going to be a while. And I think it's going to be a while because she's opening it up. And this is the bad side, so, oh my god, all of these just came up. Okay guys, so I did it. Okay guys, so as I was saying,
I'm back.
she's back. Oh my god. Did you open the putty?
Yes.
She said,
It's oily. No. I'm trading that.
okay, she's trading this.
Oh, it's a color changing needle.
Yeah, green. Ew, it's a larva.
Okay.
Okay,
So, what's your offer?
I'm just offering that puppet. Just the hecking puppet. Just the puppet because it's all broken.
How about
Definitely a fidget spinner.
a fidget spinner?
Yeah.
You want me to add a fidget spinner?
No, you don't have one, so I'm gonna add this one.
Ah, yes.
Here you go.
Okay. Now add your